Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lesson. This is the lesson about the disadvantages of genetically modified organisms. Now we will discuss the certain disadvantages which are related to genetically modified organisms. First of all, it can be dangerous to another insects that are important to our ecosystem. GMOs are believed to be dangerous to some insects because new crop genes can be deadly to them. This is worth noting when it comes to certain insects such as butterflies that are not actually dangerous to crops. अच्छा, यहाँ पे हम ये एक बात कर लेते हैं कि when there is any modification, that is insertion of new gene to form a genetically modified organism, that insertion of new gene may be dangerous to certain types of useful insects or to those insects which are actually not dangerous to crops. So here we can say that they are dangerous to certain types of insects. It sparks concerns on changing the field of agriculture. The process of making GMOs include adding new genetic material into an organism's genome. In agricultural ecology, this means introducing new genes in the genome of crops like corn. Research on the effects of cultivation of GM crops in the large scale has sparked various concerns, specifically those ideas on ecosystem with GMO strains. As proven by certain studies, GMO strains have the potential to change the agriculture. Here, let me explain what is ecology. Ecology is actually the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. Now, it has been proven from various research that GM crops has effects on agriculture. That is, there is introduction of new genetic material in already existing crops, and one of the most familiar example that has been genetically modified is corn. So there is change in the genetic makeup of already existing crops. It can damage the environment. Genetically modified crops can cause a threat to the environment due to the fact that they are not a natural way to plant and cultivate plants. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं एक बात बताऊँ कि जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन ये है हमारे पास, दिस इज़ नॉट अ जनरल और दिस इज़ नॉट अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस, दिस इज़ एन आर्टिफिशियल process. So whenever there is introduction of any artificial procedure into any system, whether it is applied to plants or it is applied to animal, it can cause it can give different types of threats to the environment. It causes unwanted residual effects. A genetically modified plant can leave unwanted residual substances that can remain in the soil for extended period of time. Agriculture regulators were altered by research that strain from GM crops would remain in the soil for years after the crops were removed. Its data even reported that despite the absence of these plants, the strain persisted for up to more than 5 years. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताऊँ कि जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन जब हो जाती है प्लांट्स के अंदर तो समटाइम्स अनवांटेड रेजिडुअल इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं. अनवांटेड रेजिडुअल इफ़ेक्ट्स का मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ कि जब कभी भी जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड प्लांट्स की प्रोडक्शन हम करते हैं फील्ड के अंदर, तो इवन जब वो वाला प्लांट या वो वाली स्ट्रेन जो है किसी भी क्रॉप की फील्ड के अंदर नहीं रहती, लेकिन जो उसके रिमेनिंग्स होती हैं, जो उसके रेजिड्यूज होते हैं, जो कि किसी और क्रॉप के लिए इतने बेनिफिशियल नहीं हो सकते, वो स्टिल फील्ड के अंदर रहते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ क्वाइट नॉट अ गुड इफेक्ट ऑफ, और यू कैन से दैट दिस इज़ a disadvantage of genetically modified crops. It can create more weeds. Take note that engineered crops can act as a mediators in transferring genes to wild plants, which can create more weeds. To keep these new weeds under control, scientists then invented new herbicides that were not necessary for non-GMO weeds. These chemicals are also toxic to various mammals and amphibians who are feeding on genetically modified organisms or GMO crops. Tests even show that the uptake of these herbicides also has toxic consequences on aquatic ecosystem. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक चीज़ मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ कि ये जो जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग होती है या जो जेनेटिक इंजीनियर्ड क्रॉप्स होती हैं, ये मीडिएटर्स होती हैं, यानी कि जो डिज़ायर्ड जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है उसको वाइल्ड प्लांट के अंदर जब हम इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं तो दैट प्लांट बिकम जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड प्लांट, और आप उसको कह सकते हैं दैट बिकम GMO. अब ये GMO जब क्रिएट होता है तो इसके रिज़ल्ट में मोर वीड्स जो हैं वो क्रिएट हो सकती हैं. अब जब एक्स्ट्रा वीड्स फील्ड के अंदर आ जाती हैं तो उस टाइम के बाद जो साइंटिस्ट्स हैं दे इन्वेंटेड न्यू टाइप्स ऑफ हर्बिसाइड्स टू कंट्रोल newly produced weeds. Now there are certain bad effects or toxic effects which are related to herbicides. These herbicides are actually the chemicals, and they are toxic to various types of mammals, amphibians, and even they show their toxic consequences on aquatic ecosystem. So it is quite dangerous. Here you can say that it is the disadvantage of GM crops or genetically modified organisms. It threatens crop diversity. There is opposition to introducing GM genes on genetic diversity because these genes can spread to other organic farm crops and threaten crop diversity in agriculture. And if crop diversity decreases, it will have a direct impact on our entire ecosystem and would affect the population dynamics of other organisms. The chance that a single genetically modified crop strain could pollinate an already existing non-GM crop is unlikely and unpredictable, and there are many conditions that must be met for cross-pollination to occur. However, when a large-scale plantation releases a GM strain during pollination, this risk increases, where the cross-pollination to non-GM plants could create a hybrid strain. This means there is a greater possibility of ecological novelty or new artificial strains that are being introduced into the environment that could potentially reduce biodiversity through competition. Now, another effect is that it has trade issues. In other countries and regions in the world, there may be problems regarding trade matters such as traffic and quota of GM crops. Here this lesson is ended. In the coming lessons we will talk about the remaining content of this course. Thank you.